Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to generate thumbnails from a video in a native iOS application with Swift. So let's get started. So first I will show you guys the output. So here I have one image view which does not have any image at the start, and I have one button called load video. I will click on this button. It will ask me for the Photos app access. I will give it the Photos app access, and once I give it, it displays the video picker for me. So here you can see I have two videos, so I'll just select this 1 minute long video, and here you can see it has automatically generated a thumbnail for me based on the video I picked. I will select one more example, so I'll just select this 10-minute long video, and here you can see it has automatically generated the thumbnail for me as well. So let's see how to do this. It's pretty simple. I'm using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. So firstly, I'm just imported UIKit as well as Photos app, and also inside your info.plist, not this one but this one, info.plist, you will have to add this photo library usage description permission and give it some why you require this permission. So give that particular string as well. Make sure you add this. Then go back to your view controller. I have imported Photos UI. Then I have just created a UI image view over here. And give it some content mode as well as background color. Then I have created a UI button as well, and again translate auto resizing is false, setting some title, some color, background color and corner radius. On view did load, I'm adding both image view as well as button to our parent view. Then I'm setting some constraints. So here you can see this is how I have set the constraints for our button, how to exactly we want to display it. And also I have added one click listener to our button as well. So this particular, once the button is clicked, this particular method gets called. So if you see on button tab, we are first requesting for Photos app permission. If we have the permission, then we call pick video. So here you can see this is how I'm requesting permission from the Photos app. So in case if permission is not given, I just print authorization not granted. But once pick video is called, here you can see I'm just doing ph picker configuration for ph photo library dot shared. Selection limit is 1, filter by videos, and preferred asset representation mode is current. Then do a ph picker view controller, pass the configuration, delegate is self, model presentation value is full screen, and start our picker. So once the user selects a video, the callback, so here I have created an extension for this. So we are extending from ph picker view controller delegate, so we are overriding this particular method. Now once the user picks a video, we will actually come over here, so we get the results over here. I'll come back to this code later on, but we come over here. Now we need to store this video temporarily somewhere because we need the URL of the video. So for this, now there is little bit boilerplate code which you have to write. So again, I have just copy pasted this code from documentation. This is not really part of this tutorial, so I won't go into detail about this, but this is how once the user has picked a video, we get the result, and that result needs to be stored somewhere temporarily. So that's what I'm doing over here. So again, you can just copy paste this code. Feel free to pause the video. This is not the real meat of this particular tutorial, but here we are basically saving the file to our file manager internally. Okay, so that's what we are doing over here. And once the file has been successfully saved, we just pass the destination URL, and in case if there is any error, we are also passing it over here to the wrap up method. So if I just come at the top, here you can see this wrap up method. So once we have the proper URL, we just dismiss our Photos app, and we just do handle pick video result, pass the URL as well as the error. So you will come over here. So here I have defined the method, and if the URL is proper, then we convert it to AV URL asset, so we get the actual video asset. Then we just do AV asset image generator, pass the video asset to it. Then I'm not really sure what this is. I just saw WWDC session. I couldn't really figure out what this is, but this is very important. Don't set this as 0. You should set this as cm timex seconds to 3. I tried changing the seconds. I thought maybe the thumbnail might change depending on the seconds which I'm passing, but that didn't really happen for me. I don't know what the use of this is, but this was mentioned in the WWDC session, that's why I'm using it. Then we have to get the video duration, so that's what I'm doing over here. Then we have to get generate the thumbnail using generator.image, pass the video duration to it, and then we create our UI image passing our thumbnail. And once we have the actual image, we just display it inside our image view. In case if there is any error, we just print it to the console. So yeah, that's how simple it is. I'll just simply scroll through this file. Feel free to pause the video wherever you feel like and just copy the code. That's how simple this is. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.